Yeah man, we have one big yam here, so. And we have some green banana. Same process again, everybody. Covering back up again because we're right now at the final stage. So this is what's happening now. Yeah man, the most amazing part of the journey in cooking, getting the flavours them on point. You know, because I catch them, you know, and I cook them said way. Ready everybody, look at this. Plant and fried fish. Yeah man, have good vibes everybody. Look, prawns. Yeah man, what we say? Steam veg, ital veg. Yes people, what I go on, you done now, say we're there. Welcome to season 8 people, yeah? Respect everybody that's been on the channel. Wow, we've actually here landed in season 8. It's so great to be here people. And guess what I'm gonna thank you guys for as well. Look, 4,000 subscribers and we're climbing. Come on, we need to get to 10k everybody. Our family need to grow. We're having loads of fun and we need to spread it and build our families. You know, like when you have a baby, come on, we need to grow up the thing. You understand what I'm trying to say, people? Spread the word, spread the message, you know what I want. Look, today on the menu, I'm outside Wildfire. Check out the fire. All right, that's where the kitchen's gonna be, people. Right by the riverside, good vibes. The program today, we're gonna be using these organic vegetables, corn, yam, green plantain, ripe plantain, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, green pepper people, tomato, carrot, onion, yellow pepper, more corn, pumpkin, green banana, scallion and thyme becomes skime.
Right.
All right, so we've also got yam as well, people, more yam, and we've also got
Coconut.
Coconut. All right, so everyone, guess what I go on? I've had to build the kitchen surface out of pallet wrap, everybody, yeah? Do not worry, I'm gonna be disposing of everything after I finish and put it into that bin just over there. Cause you know, say plastic is no good for nature. But thank you very much. We're using these 2 trees as our support today. Thank you very much to nature. Big up yourself, 24-hour kitchen, you're there. Oh, look at that everybody. Yeah man, a good vibes. Kitchen set up. Look at that. 24-hour kitchen everybody. Cooking with Ringo Vision. We're there, fully active. Yeah man, it's so nice to be in season 8 everybody. Let me deal with the fire quickly. Alright, my brethren and his missus just come and check me, you know, they're weird on this one. Just coming on a quick little pass through. Yeah, he called me earlier and said, Ringo, where you there? Me say me there, Riverside. So a good vibe. Yeah man, big up yourself people, so you can hear some people in the background. I'll soon be inviting people to the location to come in, you know, people, and have a vibe. But it's just that it's the end of summer right now. But we're there, we're by the riverside again. A good vibes. I ain't showed you the rest of the ingredients them yet. Yes everybody, I just want to tell everybody just a quick little thing. This is a cooking program and it's all about positivity, it's all about food, spreading love, sharing the good word of the Most High. You understand? Nature, the elements of the universe, people, and it's a oneness. And also just you understand, just share with everybody when you can, give when you can. You understand people? Because look, right now I'm having bare fun in life. Life is just all about what? Yeah man, it's all about fun. Stone skipping. But guess what? What's most important? I got myself 1 bag of fish and I want to show you guys what's inside of here. I had an amazing catch today, people, yeah, and this catch has been, woohoo! That is it. So as you can see, look, the kitchen is here. I got my counters here. Come in. Yeah man. We're not left out nothing people. We're there. Live and kicking, live and direct, 24-hour kitchen. We're there. Loads of things we catch done I see today, but we have to tie them up in bags because you don't know it's a beer fly out here. The amount of flies But I'm going to open up and make you see how I go on in just a second. Woyoy! Come on, Carlo. We're in the kitchen, we're in the environment. Have a look and see what I got on the menu, people. Yeah, man, fresh catch. All right, so I'm going to show you the simple process of what's to be happening right now when you're cleaning up the fish, everybody. You understand? You have to make sure that you get into the belly of the fish and get all these bits here into the head of the fish. Make sure you clean out all of that. You understand, people? And that's going to be the process of everything that you see here. So we've got them fish here on the menu. All right, we've got these on the menu as well, everybody. You know what that is. All right, we've got some Japanese bream on the menu as well, people. You see it there? Good vibes. So, yeah, man, 24-hour kitchen, and it's not a joke thing. I'm there also in the environment, and food have to what? Food have to eat, but food have to cook first. Food have to prepare first before you start eat food. Some people just want to eat food just like that, you know, but you don't know the essence of what goes into this. So when we take you over here so on a journey with me, come with me, man, because we have to go way over here so in the road in the bush, you know.
Yeah, I'm right.
The gut, and then we're sitting there in the place, so around here so we are cleaning fish to the people. Right over here so we are cleaning out the whole of the fish them. Yeah, man, a good vibe, 24-hour kitchen. We're there cooking with Ringo Vision. Good vibes. See that each fish now? Clean out, and I'm gonna wash them out. Good vibes. I'll cut it there, Chantal. Yes. Yes, everybody, so what's happening right now? I'm just cleaning out the fish them, giving them a nice thorough clean inside, getting all the guts them out of the fish, people. A good vibe, 24-hour kitchen. Yeah, man, we're fully active. It's a next great episode, people. Season 8. Thank you very much, everybody that's in season 8 right now. I've got some pre-recorded videos that I've already done already, so look out for them. I'm gonna give away some of them as well right now. Cooking burger on a shopping basket. So you might, if you haven't checked that one out there, check out cooking burger on a shopping basket. Check out jerk chicken on a shopping basket, everybody. These are season 8 fabulous episodes. We kick off the thing, people. Yeah, no joke thing. We're down by the river again. A good vibe. Yes, everybody, it's no joke when it comes to this food thing, you know. We've got a lot of people out here in restaurants, certain food shop representing, but we have to be representing in the right way, not just in the flavors and the taste, but also in the preparation. I don't show a lot of preparation on the channel, but everything's always been prepped, washed and cleaned, just to remind everybody, and gone through the right process, the hygienic process. Yeah, man, it's a good vibe. Big up yourself, 24-hour kitchen. Yeah, man, we're just making sure all the guts and everything is taken out of the belly of the fish and out of the head of the fish. And what we're gonna do, we're just gonna give them like a one rinse before we go and activate the all-purpose seasoning mix, everybody. Yeah, man, it's not no joke thing, you know. Yeah, man, fish there, so a clean up, nice and quick, simple process of cleaning the fish. You get your knife, you get into the middle, you scrape out the middle, and you scrape out the sides. You split the head, make sure that there's nothing left inside of the head, so that if some people do like to eat the fish head, so if you do like to eat the fish head, you're gonna make sure that it's well clean, so that it can fry it nice, whether you're steaming it or frying it, so that you can fry it crisp to the bone, or you can steam it where it's nice and seasoned, and you understand all the flavors and everything, so you can just crunch on all them juicy flavors coming out of the fish head, people. Yeah, if you are a fish lover, this is the process of giving you a nice, amazing fried fish or steamed fish, everybody. Yeah, man, as soon show you what I'm gonna do with these fishes in a short while. Good vibes. Yeah, man, so place our fish right there. Bubbler, bring me a bottle of water, please, and just pour it on these fish that's here, innit? Yeah, respect. Good vibes. Yes, everybody, so we've got the Japanese bream them as well. Yeah, man, we have some Japanese bream them, and we've got the shrimps them as well, people. So, yeah, things are going on. You understand? Good vibes. Good vibes. Yeah, Bubba, pour some water here for us because we're going to give them a next rinse off. After this rinse off here, then, yeah, pull up that. Pull up that, Bubba. Pull up that, Bubba. Pull up that, Bubba. Good vibes. And then forward with me on I wash here.
You want water?
No, I wash here, I'm not Bubba, I wash up. Clean up. So again, same process for these fishes, but I'm going to show you the process for the shrimps because I haven't showed you a cleaning process for the shrimp. So first of all, we get rid of the tiny little legs, quick and fast. And then what we do next, we go straight down the middle. That is it. And there's a vein running through the middle, and that is all the waste coming from the shrimps. So we will get rid of all of that. And then next what will happen, we'll take the head off, remove the head. And once you remove the head, there's a next vein that runs through. And when you actually pull the head off, there's a little vein that's there that you just pull through as well, as you can see. Yeah man, so there's two veins to pull through, one from the back and one from the belly. Good vibes. That is it, everybody. Yeah, and that's the cleaning process for the shrimps, and that's going to be the full process for everything. You've already seen the cleaning process for the fish. It's the same right throughout. Big up yourself, 24-hour kitchen over there. One more wash again, pull up, 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 brother. All that water. Yeah. You want some to drink? You see where I'm going right now? Because we're outside now, flying a ramp, flying a play. You see what I do? Corn trash. I have to go cover up, fish them with, quick and fast, before flies start, swarm them. Because fly are not normal sitting people. Yeah. Cover them up with some corn trash, quick and fast. Yeah man, a good vibe, 24-hour kitchen. We're there, we're fully active. We are utilize everything, utilize this as a cover right now. You know, no fly just come feel like they want just come live. And they sitting there, we just clean up and we done left something over there for them already. Yeah man. So this is the right way, everyone. That's why it's good to use corn as well. You understand? To just have corn. Corn acts as a natural cover as well, clean. Is something that back in the day, you know, people would use this as a rizzler. Back home they would have used the corn trash as a rizzler to roll their tobacco and smoke their tobacco. Yeah man, I hear a lot of people them back home say they used to do it. Yeah man, old school family member them, all a set of generation them know about them style, yeah. Said we as well. So cover up the crisscross. So it shows you as well, yeah, the corn when it's growing, why it carries that sweet flavor, because all of these leaves as well has got a sweetness as well. You understand? Imagine if you was to dry this and uses it. Yeah, it's got a sweetness to it. Still, no, I'm telling no lie. Good vibes. You know, say, look, I'm not even gonna play no game. Come in, forward. The coconut I feel like say it's better than nothing on waste. What me say? Nothing on waste. What me say? Nothing on waste. What me say? Give thanks.
Hear it.
Nothing on waste. Alright, water collect, come in back again. The time I know me I deal with them rough. Hey boy. That's how we deal with them people. If them I deal with me unfair and unjust, we just split up them one coconut. Yeah. And we do bust them jelly. And when we say we do we give thanks and praises to life and give thanks and praise to the Most High. Since last year the first, cause life is the greatest essence, you know. This what we have right now, we experience them naturalness, yeah. Remember, this is one of the only fruits on earth, you know, that carry water inside of it that's untouched by man. Let me say, the water untouched by man. Come in, forward. The water, yeah. Mad fucking listener. That is it, people. 24-hour kitchen marathon is a life of the greatest gift. So don't play around with it. Just live it, love it, and enjoy a good vibe fire. Blaze! Yes, everybody. So you know, so we're up on a roasting vibe. We're just kicking off the moments right now. So Peter, some roast planting, some roast green planting, cut on the fire said way. Some roast corn said way. You just put one side eye fire, people. Let them just go and do them thing nice and easy, a good vibe. So come in back again, look. I'm gonna check for me that joke, my joke. We didn't joke. See everything now. Done wash up and done prep up and season it. I go season up right now, people. Yeah, man, and we have. Look, come in.
The boss go catch your fish them earlier.
You think I joke, though? You think I lie?
You do no fishing, man.
You think I lie? Alright. So, a good vibes, people. So, come in now. So, next stage. Remember to say over here, so. Over here, so. Come on, them. Yeah. Give them water to drink. Lie you, I tell you, I get wash off. Lie you, I tell you. Bubbler. Water and lime and everything, please.
I know, so don't I in a Ringo.
Yeah. Buddy, so this is what's happening now. Yeah, man, the most amazing part of the journey in cooking, getting the flavors them on point, everybody. Yeah, man, this is it. This is what I'm talking about. I feel there's a bit of water in here. Let's drain it out. There's a lot of water in there. Let's drain it all out, because you see, especially when we're frying fish, we need to make sure that they're all dry thoroughly inside and out, just to make sure that they're not sticking in the oil, everybody. So yeah, man, we're giving them a nice sprinkle all-purpose seasoning mix. If you haven't yet ordered your bottle, remember you can order your bottle, everybody. 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision. We're there though. We're there to deal with the thing. So 3 slice. I give you a head. Look, head, middle, and we get a tail. That is it. See there again, same process. And that's the same process all the way through, everybody. Yeah, man, quick and fast. We are dealing with some fry fish. Good vibes. You might as well say I catch and cook, you know, because I catch them, you know, and I cook them said way. So it's a marvelous catch and cook. There were so many there, I was able to specifically handpick the ones that I actually wanted, everyone. And now what we do, we just give the last little sprinkle of seasoning. Yeah, man, we get this one. It's a flavoursome one, a good vibes. Alright. So the next stage now, look. Everything there. Oil. And pans and everything. Frying pan. Frying pan set on, you know. Alright, so this is the process, everybody, yeah? So we're just gonna score the fish. As you can see, the previous ones up here, they've all been scored nicely, twice as well, just to make sure that seasoning is soaked all the way through on the finishing part of cooking. Good vibes. So what's gonna happen now, these are all gonna get sprinkled on one side, span over nicely. Good vibes, everybody. Big up yourself, man. We're there, man. It's a marvelous time right now. The sun is shining, the sun is out. I'm just gonna dab it all off with some seasoning, and then what's left with the residue now, we'll just turn it over and just get it all in. I'm just gonna get some in on the inside. Good vibes. Bubla, you see that corn, the trash of the corn that I was using over there? Get the belly of the fish as well. Can you bring that for me, please? The corn trash. And then last that I'm gonna do as well, we have the shrimp stem that we're gonna actually have to douse off because they're in the shell. And that's it. Ooh, wow, what was you doing in there, mate? You tried to get away? No, you never. I had plans for you. I got plans for you. There you go. Get in, man. What are you virgin them wait upon you, you know? I mean, I say, where my man there? My man no want no cut up. I forget that cut up, man. This is the only thing that we use the knife for, people, yeah? In the kitchen for these marvelous processes, people, yeah? Good vibes. Yeah, man. So that's completed now. So, a good vibes. Same process again, everybody. Covering back up again because we're right now at the final stage where we're actually going to start frying our fish now. So we just cover it back up. You understand? To prevent fly and all them things there. Good vibes. Big up yourself. Look over there, son, on the fire there, sir. And see what I go and said where. Yeah, man. Good vibes. Okay, it's too hot. Good vibes. Alright, so we put a scotch bonnet pepper in there, everybody, yeah? And now we're just gonna start the frying process, yeah, man. Make sure so we set the fire good. Yeah, man, good vibes. Ready, everybody, look at this. Good vibes. Got the peppers in the oil. Woo. Yes, everybody, so we've started now. The oil is piping hot. Yeah, man, things are going in the pan right now. The fish them are going fry up, people. A good vibes. Yeah, man, a good vibes. Bone dry, we are fry them, you know, people. A good vibes. Look at this, people. We have a next pot. Sit on this pot here like that, so go and bubble up the car, look. Now forward, come in here, because look. Yeah, man, we have one big yam here, so. And we have some green banana. And we have some green plantain as well, people, yeah? Green banana, green plantain, and white yam. Oil is piping hot, everybody. You have to be very careful when you're working with the wood fire in this type of way. Yeah, man. Just trying to get that pepper over there, and let's get that flip going on. 2. Whoa. There we go. Let me see. That is it. See the clip there? So we've got the first side of the fish. Nice and dry. A good vibe everybody here. Pick up yourself. Alright, everyone, so look. All of the fish egg them, everybody. Yeah man, look on this. Smoky, look on this. So what I got in here, everybody, look. Yeah man, I got the prawns them that I'm gonna be frying up as well. Good vibes. And then I got the rest of the fish them there. So that's gonna be for this batch here. Almost all completed, everybody, yeah? Good vibes. Yeah man. Put a bit of oil in the pan. Because I'm going to be putting green banana in there, everybody. So yeah man, we just go and peel up the yam. Good vibes. Woo. Good vibes. Nice piece of white yam, people. The skin on this yam is very thin. Bubble powder there so quickly, please. I'm putting the yam into the pot. At the same time, you have to deal with the fish, because the fish then, the first batch of fish. Careful now. The first batch of fish done fry up. So what I'm going to do, the fire is piping hot. Crazy heat, everybody. That's the fish head them. Yeah man. Because I'm not using a what? See that? Nicely cut, drop, cut, drop it, cut, drop it. Simple cut, drop in. Cut them to a decent size. The bigger one, bust it in half quick and fast. Big piece of the bottom of the yam. Bam, just bust it in half. Drop that in the pan straight away. Now, see that? Check the fire so that's even. And the next stage, what I'm going to be dealing with now is the green banana. But, woo, smoke. Alright people, because you see banana, even yam is a thing that's staying here, but you see these bananas, they will just spoil your fingers with the stain. And you know where man is outside right now, just take a little precautions when it comes to the banana and also the fish, the rawness. But look at this. But it's gone. Ancestors didn't want the first one. That is it. Green planting that. Not green banana, green planting. Yeah man. Easy to peel it, just like that. Go down the vein with a knife. And you just fold it over. Nice and easy. Obviously when you're peeling it when it's ripe, it's a different process. Good vibes. Over the fire. Cut. Cut. In they go. Now we got some fingers of bananas. Good vibes, you know people, 24-hour kitchen, man. Yeah man, we're there man. I hope you guys are enjoying season 8. This is a cookout man, cookout. Multiple cooking, me just assure you. It's the opportunity right now to just be outside and utilising the wood fire. You know them banana, yeah? Might just, alright, here I go on. Peel them up to the way, quick and fast. Cause you see the banana? Quick thing. Look at that. Quick thing that. The fire now, the water. Now, dash off some water quick and fast. See it then? Quickly. Because as you put food into the pot, the water starts to pile up. So, what you do now, just take off some of the water, people. Quickly. Bubbler! Scotch bonnet pepper, everybody. Yeah man, Scotch bonnet pepper. Scallion. Thyme. See it there? That is it. They never had this before. First time. Alright everybody, so it's not a joke thing with the pan right now. Yeah. So mad crazy different style of pepper prawns people, yeah. Well pepper up, well spicy. I don't know, joke thing. Yeah man, check it out. Gonna have to let it cover, steam up. Alright everybody, so we add the coconut to the prawns. Good vibes. Ringo Vision. Come on, have a look and see what I go on. The ITAL stew, you know. No joke thing, we're fully active. We're fully outside. Coconut, after great up people here. Have a look here. Mad thing I go on. Looking at the thing. No joke thing. Beer things are going. Beer things are going on in place. Look at people. Look up on the roast yam. Roast yam. Yeah, show them the riverside now. Coconut are going on, vegetable now. Fresh coconut. Yeah. Flavors, may I say. Real authentic flavors. No artificial, organic food. So what we're gonna do, everybody, here is we're gonna make this one steam down and have it to a little crunch, said way. But at the same time, as we're spinning it up, we're getting the flavour of the fresh coconut inside of there, everybody. Yeah, man. Greater coconut. ITAL thing, this, you know. Yeah, man, a good vibes. Done. Yes, everybody, so we'll come to the final. Come in. Yeah, man, a good vibes today, man. Everything done with the hard food, banana, yam, green plantain, fried fish. Yeah, man, a good vibes, everybody. Look, prawns. Yeah, man, what we say? Steam veg, ITAL veg, roast yam, roast corn, roast plantain, green plantain. Yeah, man, a beer vibes, people. Come in and have a look. A 24-hour kitchen with fully active people. With a good vibes today. Big up yourself. Yeah, man, cook out. Done by the river. Yes, everybody. So today's episode is completed, man. A good vibes. Big up yourself. Outside, you can see that I'm in a vest. Cause what? The weather's been 31 degrees today. And I've been shelling it down in 31 degrees temperature. Yeah, man, we love it. So today's episode consisted of yam, a pot of yam, a pot of IO veg. Look, we've got a pot of yam and green banana, a pot of IO veg. Yeah, man, fish, all them kind of thing there. A good vibe. Some next people just a forward in our place, people. Yeah, man, a beer vibes in our place, people. Yeah, man, 24-hour kitchen. We're fully active, we're fully outside. Yeah, man. The full vibes today.
So. And there was a baby from.
Oh, Sir Grace. Ah! Them chef.
Yeah.
Them deaf.